Okay guys, let's battle this too. This is Ultimate Voltron. Uh, I removed the robbery because I know this is about weekend because it will be plus aggressive. It will be less and aggressive and what's that again? And plus stamina and plus defense. Okay. And this is Vanish Fafnir. I will still it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shit! Let's see who win. Bro, the winner is... it's just 1 to 2. Okay, this... Okay, 1, 1, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, go. Shot! 3, 2, 1, go. Nigga. Oh, fudge. Sorry. Okay, Vanish the winner. Okay, let's do it again. Bro, can you? Oh my god! Okay guys, wait. I'm gonna battle them again. Go. Show one. Wait, let's do it again. This is the final battle. 2, 1, go. Let's see. Oh my god. Who's the winner? Wait, let's see again. I don't see the winner. Let's do it again. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I forgot. Wait, bro, wait. Let's do it again. Sorry, I'm sorry. 2, 1, go. I'm still... Okay, let's see who will win. Let's battle this. The winner is Vanish Fafnir, guys. Okay guys, this is the ending of the video. Bye bye.